Can you tell me again? Try to tell me again what you said before about this topic, the way that you learned this. Why did you learn this? What is your opinion about?
Why did I learn this?
Yes, how did you learn it?
About what?
This topic, passive voice.
I think now I learned it with you, with the direct object and the indirect object, and with the whiteboard in the page number 7.
And why didn't you learn this with your teacher at school?
Because she helped us just with examples and not with the theory, with the direct object and the indirect object.
Good. So you now understand passive voice better than before?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
All right.
I'm going to do a photo to the whiteboard